SUVs and CUVs are dominating the US market. In fact, in 2024, they made up 58% of all new vehicle sales. That shift has transformed the replacement tire landscape. Let's talk about why, with 11 of the 20 best-selling vehicles falling into this category, this is a segment dealers need to prioritize when it comes to helping customers pick the right options for their CUVs and SUVs. If you stock popular SUV tire sizes and offer same-day installation across different price points, you're already in a stronger position than a lot of other dealers. However, that's only part of the strategy. Success also comes from knowing what today's SUV drivers actually want and being ready to guide them to a purchase that matches them. To match buyers with the right SUV or CUV tire dealers need to go deeper than the normal line of questioning. That means your techs and service advisors need to understand the technology behind the tire, including the tread pattern, compound, and construction. Each of these features impacts road noise, wet and dry traction, cold weather grip, rolling resistance, and durability, often important factors for customers with these vehicles. Explain how the tread pattern plays a combined role as it affects traction, road noise, and appearance. The compound determines how well a tire performs in cold and wet conditions, and how long it lasts. Tell customers that the tire's construction influences everything from handling to puncture resistance. Make sure not to forget about the enthusiast crowd either. Sporty SUVs may call for UHP tires, whereas outdoor adventurers may want aggressive all-terrain designs. That's why it's critical to take a moment, walk the vehicle, and ask the customer a lot of questions to see how they use it. One-size-fits-all options don't cut it for other customers. So why would it be different here? CUV and SUV tire buyers are diverse, but they're also loyal to tire dealers who actually take the time and listen. And with the CUV and SUV market showing no signs of slowing down, the dealers who pay attention to these details will keep those customers rolling in. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.